Alright guys, welcome back to Puzzle Fun. Today I got a new puzzle. It's basically, it's by Bits and Pieces, and it's a trapped satellite. And basically the idea of this is to get it out of the bars. Should be fun. Let's see how it goes. Oh yeah, I'm also going to set up the timer to see how long it takes me to do this. So bear with me 1 second. Oh. So basically the idea is to get this out of here. I think the idea is to twist it out, but I'm not 100% sure. So maybe it just doesn't want to turn. Trying to. Doesn't like to turn from him. I'm fiddling with it. Oh, looks like I got like 4 out, almost 5 right now. Oh, what's going on here? Look at that. Almost got it out already. Just got it. And I did it in 2 minutes and 3 seconds. So, but that's not just the whole puzzle. Basically, I get it back inside. So, here we go. I figure if you take it out the same hole, put it back in the same hole, right? I mean, that just makes sense to me. Done. Alright guys, and that's by Bits and Pieces. And that's the brain teaser of getting the satellite, or I like to call it water mine, out of the bars. Now there is a trick to this, and I did realize it when I put my thumb through. Basically, my thumb goes through this part just perfectly fine. Where these, I get stuck. And I noticed it, if you probably saw me in the video, circling around trying to feel where it's wider. Right here is a little wider. Also, if you look at the tops, you can see that up here is a little bit wider than the rest of them. Like, I don't know if that's intentionally supposed to be that easy to tell, but I can notice stuff like that very quickly. Like, if something's not quite the right size or something's like out of place, I notice it right away. So for me, I noticed that this slot right here was wider than all the rest. Plus on this video, you can actually see the difference very well. But yeah, that's how you get it out. Alright guys, and that's it for that one. But since that was such a short video, I've got one more I'm going to try into this video. So I'm going to reset this. And what I got is another one by Bits and Pieces. It is a box. And basically, the key's inside the box, but the lock's out here. So you gotta figure out how to get into this. Now I have not touched this. This is how it was shipped to me. I haven't even played with it yet. So let's give it a go. Well, looks like it's definitely slides on the top, but it's It looks like there's little slots here, and well, some of these pegs look like they're up higher than the rest. I just don't. God, if I like my fingernails, I won't rip on them. Yeah, that one looks like it would tie her up. Ow. Apparently that does nothing. Oh. And that is the, I guess that's the opening to get the key. Get the key to unlock the box. And that is that. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and this is all I have for tonight. Alright, thanks guys. Actually, if you could do me a favor, like, subscribe, share this video, that'd be a great help. Alright guys, have a good night.